Hello, welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best drill press that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Wen 4208 8 inches 5-speed drill press. The Wen 4208 8-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press is at the top of our list because it's the perfect combination of capability, size, and price for the average workshop. It's small but strong enough to drill through metal, wood, and plastics without too much stress. The keyed chuck can handle up to 1/2 drill bits and can accommodate accurate, repeatable holes in your material. The Wen 4208 is the perfect size for your shop and portable enough to take with you to a job site. The entire thing is constructed of cast iron including head, table, and base to ensure consistent results. The induction motor features ball bearings for extended life, and it all comes together with smooth and balanced performance even at high speeds. The 6.5-inch square work table bevels 45 degrees left and right for reasonably precise right angles. The base contains pre-drilled holes for mounting onto your workbench. Is the Wen 4208 benchtop drill press a commercial grade unit that will take an overabundance of abuse? Number. Is it a little rough around the edges? Yep, but here's the thing. It's a solid performing drill press that is a great size for a shop. And it's super cheap. Buy it already. Browse. 1/2-inch keyed chuck with onboard key storage, oversized power switch, cast iron construction. Number 2. Wen 4214 12-inch variable speed drill press. The 8-inch benchtop drill press from Wen is our top of list model, but if you're looking for a lot more punch and a feature-rich tool, allow me to present the Wen 4214 12-inch variable speed drill press. This benchtop drill press is packed with amenities found in larger, commercial-grade floor drill presses. Maybe my most favorite of these is the variable speed adjustment, complete with an LED display to change motor speed on the fly without messing around with belts. Hallelujah. Work slow at 580 RPM to get through thick steel, or crank it up to 3200 RPM to bore through some softwood. The motor is a stout 2/3 horsepower to drive through metal, wood, and pretty much everything else. The drill chuck can accommodate up to a 5/8 inch bit and also has onboard key storage, so you, hopefully, won't lose it. Pretty much everything on this drill press is made of cast iron, so it's going to last a very long time. The induction motor features ball bearings for extended life, and it all comes together with smooth and balanced performance even at high speeds. The work table bevels 45 degrees left and right for consistent angled hole drilling. The base of this benchtop drill press has pre-drilled holes for mounting it onto a workbench. If you are looking for some help with precision drilling, the Wen 4214 features a laser crosshair that eliminates guesswork. If you've got a larger budget and want an amazing variety of bells and whistles in a compact benchtop drill press that's a perfect size for your workshop, the Wen 4214 is the one for you. Browse. 9.5-inch square work table with roller extension. 5/8 inch keyed chuck features onboard key storage. Laser pattern feature for more accurate drilling. Number 3. SKIL 3320 013.2 amp 10-inch drill press. If you need to bore holes but need greater precision than what you can get out of a handheld drill, consider the SKIL 3320 013.2 amp 10-inch drill press. It features a 2-beam laser to help ensure precise hole alignment and a depth adjustment system to drill down reliably and consistently. 5 speeds are available to cut holes cleanly through wood, metal, and other materials. The press accepts larger diameter bits for woodworking and cutting as well. The square work surface can tilt from 0 to 45 degrees. A 3-year warranty simply places the cherry on top of your workshop. This drill press is built for durability. It features a very heavy cast iron base that prevents the tool from walking or wobbling during operation. The work table is also made of cast aluminium and can be tilted up to 45 degrees left and right. Another thing that sets it apart is the presence of the X22 beam laser that lets you pinpoint the area where you should drill a hole. The price of this drill press is quite affordable, making it ideal for DIYers. About this item: 1/2 inch keyed chuck, bump off switch for added safety, 5 speeds, 570 to 3050 RPM, adjustable depth stop for accurate measurements and repetitive drilling, 0-45 degree left, right tilting work surface, laser X22 beam laser for precise hole alignment, Prowse, tilting work surface, 10-inch working height with 1/2 inch chuck, 2/3/8 inch spindle stroke length. Number 4. WEN 4210 10-inch drill press with laser. The WEN 4210 drill press is a compact tool at a very good price. The 3.2 amp motor is strong enough to handle the day-to-day DIY tasks that come its way. A great feature is the X-pattern laser, which makes precision drilling a breeze. Solidly built and good quality. This particular model has become very popular with do-it-yourself enthusiasts and woodworkers as it provides excellent value for money. The WEN was one of the best-selling drill presses on Amazon in 2015. The 4210 from WEN received great reviews on all the consumer feedback platforms we researched. Recommended for DIY woodworkers and the home workshop. Key features: 3.2 amp, 110 volt motor, ideal for the home workshop or garage. Laser guiding system. This X-pattern guiding system works beautifully for precise drilling. 5 speed settings. Speed settings range from 570 revolutions per minute to 3050 revolutions per minute maximum. Prowse. Excellent value for money. It is ideal for DIYers or hobbyists looking for a good, inexpensive model. Awarded best value for money in the drill press reviews. About this item: includes drill press, class 2 1mW laser, 1/2 keyed chuck and key, tools for assembly, adjust between 5 speeds from 600 to 3100 RPM, spindle travel of 2 1/2 with easy to read, locking linear depth stop for accurate and repeatable drilling operations. Durable 3.2 amp motor provides ample torque and power. Number 5. Shop Fox W1668 13-inch benchtop drill press. There was a lot of thought that went into the Shop Fox W1668 benchtop drill press. It's large, almost too large, to be an effective machine used on a standard workbench. But that's okay because it can handle a lot, including doubling as an oscillating sander. Indeed, this model comes with a 3-piece drum sanding kit with a variety of sanding pieces. For the home handy person, this feature alone makes it a great value for the price. The entire model is robust, the parts fit together very well, features easy-to-use controls, sports a strong 3/4 horsepower motor, and is cast and milled extremely well. The chuck is a large 5/8 inch with 12 available speeds from 250 to 3050 RPM. The base, table, and head are all made of strong cast iron, and because of its size, be sure to mount this drill press to a work table or bench of some kind. It runs smoothly with a superb dust collection feature when used as a sander. The Shop Fox W1668 fits a great niche in between hobbyist and full-blown professionals. This benchtop drill press would be an amazing addition to any semi-pro workshop. Prowse. Doubles as an oscillating spindle sander. 12 speeds between 250 and 3050 RPM. Nice dust collection feature. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.